How to set your own photo widgets in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can set our own photo widgets on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, head towards your home screen on your device. Once you're on your home screen, long press on your home screen. Then from here, tap on Widgets. Once you're on the Widgets, you have to scroll down to the Google Photos. So search for Google Photos and scroll down to it. Once you find on it, here tap on it. Here you have two options to choose from. If you want to go with your memories, you can select your memories, or you can select this people in pets photo frame as well. Select it and you have to drag and drop it in your home screen. Tap on it. Now you have to select your account, then tap on OK. After that, from your Google Photos, you have to choose the albums or people that you want to display. Once you choose your photos, you will have your photos that is displayed in your home screen as a widgets. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.